I'm here in Scotland. I got the sleeper train last night from London. Woke up this morning, bit of a panic coming off the train, and got into Inverness. The idea of this week, I've got 10 days. I'm going to do the coast of northern Scotland, all around the edge. I'm on the old fat bikes to do a bit of off-roading, a few off-road passes through Thailand and places like that. Hacking along today, completed 76 miles, ended up just before Helmsdale, which is exactly where I wanted to be, one of the best camping spots around here would be because of this. Look at that, I have a beach view from my tent. Good morning. It has rained since I've arrived. I just saw on the OS map, and that's why I love OS maps. It's been called Walligo Steps. I thought, what is that? And look at this place. John O'Groats! Here we are. There's a sign. I made it. Camp for the night, not that you can see a lot, but there's a sea view and the Orkney Islands. Hopefully we'll see them in the morning. Good morning. Day 3. And yeah, slept well. Apart from I had to wake up halfway through the night for rain to get my tail back in. So here's the game we play every day. What's the view like outside? Oh, yeah! Breakfast with a sea view. So I just passed Donray Nuclear Power Station, which you can actually still see. Come to this idyllic beach, which there's scarily a sign to say radioactive particles have been found on it. There's the power plant. I could be buzzing right now. Tongue. Woo-hoo. It's been pretty spectacular actually. There was a certain hill when you suddenly went, I'm in West Scotland. The mountains came up, you can see the ranges far out, and this glorious weather. I've done quite well today. Just before we go wild for the rest of the trip, and I mean really wild, I thought I'd have one night in a hostel, which is here in Tongue, which is literally, I was standing there a minute ago, now I'm here, the sun is setting, I've got the whole place to myself. I come up and over this side of the loch, has to go all the way down to the bottom, which was an amazing tailwind, and now I've got a ridiculous headwind coming back north, but having a cracking day, probably about 5 more miles to Inverness and Shmoo Cave, so super windy, but we're at Sandward Bay, my camping spot for tonight. It is pretty spectacular. A top tip of how to put your tent up in the sand. Don't use rocks on the outside. Put them on the inside. Tent's not gonna fly away now, is it? Ah! This we call breakfast. Luxury times. There's my boffy for the night. What a view, what a place. Tell you how many deer there is there. Just come for a little evening walk. Look at them. Here we are in the Boffey. Got the fire going. I'm not going to lie, it took me a very long while to get it going. Just topped out this whopping climb from sea level to 134 in about a mile, but look at the view. Finish the day off, first beer of the trip. Dun, dun, dun. So I woke up earlier on, come and had a shower, clean the teeth, you know, this and that. I've just walked out and it's a bit whiter out there than it was a minute ago. It's snowing quite heavily. I would class this as riding along in the snow. It's snowing again! 30 seconds ago I was turning into the snowman and I thought, oh, I can't be bothered to stop at the gorge, but thank goodness I did, because within 30 seconds the sky had turned blue and I can't even explain how deep it is. It's quite unnerving really. Getting quite high now, epic, but there goes my next bit of weather coming in. It's a little bit snowy and it's minus 1.2. Ah! Morning of day 8. So there's the hostel I stayed in last night because the elements were quite fierce. So we've finished the day off and it's just started to snow. The sun is out, but I'm in Torridon. 60 miles on the clock today. It's been intense. Cheers. Probably the toughest day of the trip so far. This headwind. It's outrageous. Take it easy, guys. Bye. See you later. So here we are on Bleckenibach. I think so you say it. It's a bloody hard road pass. This is it, we're going up here. You see from the bottom of the valley and the sea behind, and to sky and the Goodins. Very impressive. Me and Fatty, we got to 460 metres, just shy of the top, which I think is 500. But it was a side wind. It's still really windy. The side wind kind of caught me and took me off, but a good effort, I'd say. So let's top out and fly down the other side. Ah! 2,053 feet. Good morning. So it's day 10, the final day, the final cruise back to Inverness. Just cruising along Glen Carron. Had a superb night in the hostel yesterday, in Jerry's hostel. Garmin, and GoPro, we got tent and various things at the front. Can't come to Scotland without going to a whiskey distillery, can we? So here we are back at Inverness station. That means I finished my trip. What a 10 days. That's 560 miles and over 11,000 metres of climbing. I'm serious. But it's been great. But I've just been absolutely soaked just to say thanks from Scotland. See you soon. So the label says live, and you can hear them. Oh, God, it's on the floor. Oh, no.